Okay, Vikings, get ready to fly. Hey, Toothless, we gotta prepare for launch. They're almost here. Can't wing lie without wings, though. Okay, getting into position. These wings will give you a dragon's speed. No dragons required. You just got fired with wings, which is falling. It's called falling. Just keep moving forward. No, forward. You know which way is forward, right? Oh no, maybe there'll never be anything like flying with your best friend. As long as your best friend is a dragon. Ah, come on, Toothless, you know that doesn't wash out. Yeah. Right now, gather up all your axes, helmets, and shields, and prepare to exit the wind line. And watch out for dragons. You're Vikings now, and an occasional hazard.